Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 impact wrench. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is DeWalt 20V Cordless Impact Driver. Specifications: brand name DeWalt, model number DCF850, usage renovation team, power source battery, weight 0.95 kilograms, rated voltage 20V, rated input power 480W, no load speed 3300 RPM, max drilling diameter 13 millimeters, drill type impact drill, maximum torque 205 Nm. Item number 4 is Cameli electric impact wrench. Specifications: brand name Cameli, motor type brushless, usage home DIY, power source battery, weight 4.2 kilograms, no load speed 7,000 RPM, frequency 0 to 7,700 IPM, rated voltage 18V, type rechargeable electric wrench, power source electricity, maximum torque 2100 Nm. As the item number 3, we've selected Torque Brushless Electric Impact Wrench. Specifications: brand name Baybeck, type impact wrench, motor type brushless, usage commercial manufacture, power source battery, is _customized, yes, dimensions 1 to 2 inch, no load speed 7,000 RPM, rated input power 1500W, frequency 50-60 Hz, rated voltage 20V, power source electricity. Item number 2 is High Torque Brushless Electric Impact Wrench. Specifications: brand name Cameli, model number DTW700, usage commercial manufacture, motor type brushless, power source battery, weight 4.2 kilograms, no load speed 6,800 RPM, rated input power 1500W, frequency 7,700 IPM, rated voltage 18V, type rechargeable electric wrench, power source electricity, maximum torque 1800 Nm. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Cameli Tool DTW700 1800 N High Torque Electric Impact Wrench. Specifications: brand name Cameli, motor type brushless, usage home DIY, power source battery, weight 4.2 kilograms, no load speed 7,000 RPM, max torque 1200 Nm, rated input power 1500W, frequency 7700 IPM, rated voltage 18V, model number DTW700, type rechargeable electric wrench, power source electricity.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.